Pineapple upside down cake. These are the ingredients: 2 eggs, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of pineapple juice from can, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of softened butter, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1½ cups of cake flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the topping, we have 1/8 ounce can of pineapple slices, ½ cup of light brown sugar, and some candied cherries. Also, we have 1/4 cup of softened butter into an 8-inch buttered cake pan. To get started, sprinkle the sugar over the butter in the cake pan evenly. Layer the pineapple slices in the pan. And add the candied cherries. For the cake batter, in a medium to large bowl, add the oil, softened butter, add the sugar and mix together. Add 2 eggs one at a time, mixing after each addition. Add the vanilla and mix. Add the baking powder and the baking soda and mix together. Now add in half of the flour and mix just to combine. Scrape down the side of the bowl. Add the salt and the pineapple juice and mix. Add in the buttermilk and mix lightly. Now add in the remaining flour and mix just to combine. Scrape down the side of the bowl. Continue to mix. Pour the batter over the pineapple slices in the pan. Place in a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for 40 to 50 minutes or until toothpick inserted in center comes out clean. Cool for about 10 minutes and remove from the pan. Now let's cut into our cake. Enjoy and thank you so much for watching.